Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hi guys. This video is about how to play MP4 on all kinds of DVD players. As a big entertainment in our daily life, DVD player can brings us great movie enjoyment via USB flash drive or Wi-Fi connection. However, it is really a embarrassed thing when you tried to play common video formats like MP4 on DVD player and you only find that your DVD player can't read the MP4 file either from a digicam or downloaded from the internet. So, what's the matter? If you've trouble playing MP4 files on DVD player, remember, this video is a sequel of early video posted a year ago, as I have found another way to play MP4 videos, which I am going to share today. Before starting this video, I would like to say one thing very important to you guys. Thank you for 5k subscribers. I would like to thank people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, Get Smart. You all people have shown your interest and love for my channel that has hit 5k subscribers or more in less than a year. That's why I would like to appreciate your efforts by taking a moment and saying thank you to my supporters. Without you people, I could not achieve this milestone in just a short span of time. However, it was not me, it was all of you folks who watch my videos constantly. Share your love by hitting the like buttons and share buttons. Hence, we achieved this thing together. I would want to give you people a huge round of applause for appreciating my videos. Congratulations to all of you from the bottom of my heart, as we are all a team. Now, let's start a video, and for reaching 5k subscribers, I dedicate this video to all of you guys. Open AVS Video Converter and select AVI under Format tab. Then select the file you want to convert. Now select Output Directory. In Split, select Batch Mode Radio button, and then, in Output File section, keep these settings. Video codec, this one. Frame size must be 720 into 480. Bitrate should be 4000. And frame rate must be 29.97 frame per second. In audio section, select MP3. Sample rate, this one. Size should be 16-bit. Bitrate must be 320 kbps. And finally, select stereo. Now you can save these settings as a profile. You can give it any name as you like. Now, click Convert now. It will take some time depending on the size of the input file. Conversion completed. Let's copy this file to the USB drive and move toward car. I'm in car. Now, and let's insert the USB into car DVD player. Loading now. Let's enjoy the song. So, that is how to play MP4 on all kinds of DVD players. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.